Hello everyone, my name is Hafiz Ahmed Hassan and I have made my first video on artificial intelligence, and this course is for everyone who want to um, do entry in AI. So I'm gonna review, I have made this course basically based on a book, which is a Kaggle book named as Kaggle book, and a little introduction about me is I'm a surgical data scientist at the University College London. There is a robot vision group, and I'm doing my master's from University of Verona and had my bachelor's from Fast National University. So there are like um, couple of things I'm gonna discuss about. So this chapter is on a particular topic on how you can set up your data set in Kaggle platforms. So what was my motivation is obviously learning, spreading knowledge, my love with AI, and connecting with the community, and also helping people who are going to enter in AI. So if you're new into AI, consider watching the whole playlist I will gonna make, and by the end of this video, you will feel like uh, yeah, like you are kind of um, you can say kind of like have very good knowledge, you can say, in AI. And so this whole playlist is all about Kaggle book. I will put the book of this the link for this book in the description. And let's not waste our time and go uh, to the lecture, to the topic. Yeah. So in this particular chapter, we are going to discuss about how you can set up your dataset. So apologies for the mistake. Setting up a dataset, gathering the data, and how you can work with the dataset which are already there in Kaggle platform, and what are the different ways to query a dataset, and how you can use Kaggle dataset in Google Colab. So what are the legal warnings, and what is the data, why we are talking about the data is a most fundamental thing if you want to develop any kind of artificial intelligence application. So data is, if you want to build a house, then the data is kind of brick that will make a house. So you cannot make a house without brick. So there is a quote in a book which is I really like, and I like to tell you. So data, I cannot make bricks without clay. So data is like a clay that make a brick. So um we are going to discuss about like the rules in Kaggle cloud platform about uploading your own data set and working with that. So you are given 100 GB. If you want to work with your own data set in Kaggle, you can upload your data set and make it private, or you can make it public. And in the end of this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how you can set up your own data set. So there is a limit, so this limit is not for like compressed one, not a zip file, on not any other kind of extension .rar, compressed extension. It is calculated on uncompressed data set and uncompressed data you're having. So consider it like when you are about to upload it. And another thing is, you can find a lot of data, unstructured and structured data in Kaggle. Make sure like it is already available over here before uploading it, and maybe you can get a benefit of saving your time if you are going to upload your own data set. So another thing is, so there, like, if you consider make your own profile on Kaggle, so there is a link, and I will put this link in the description of this video, and you can add on the data, you can add your own data set in a Kaggle platform, with the with there is a kind of tab you can click on, and there are like a couple of options you will see. So there is a GitHub icon where like you can when you open it, where you will see like the URLs. There is an option for URLs to upload the files from GitHub directly to Kaggle Cloud Platform. And another thing is the link of the book, and my GitHub profile link, and my Twitter link, and LinkedIn profile link. Consider it like if you consider it if you want to connect with me. So you can consider follow me here on GitHub, LinkedIn, and on Twitter as well. So now I'm going to demonstrate how you can upload your files on Kaggle platform and work with your own data set. So let's go. So there is my profile on Kaggle, and you can click over here in a data set, and you can upload your own data. So I can say like my data name is Hassan data, and you can upload files from here, and you can now I'm uploading a kind of PNG, and here is a link for make it if you want to make it public or if you want to make it private. Another thing is which I really like, the flexibility of this platform is like you can have an option for uh, GitHub link. So if you had made a profile in your GitHub account, what you can do is you can just like, for example, if I go to my GitHub profile, you can and repository over here. For example, I want to upload some files from GitHub. So what I can do is just for example, logistic regression. Now, so for example, I want to upload my online certificate. So here I can do is just upload over there. So you can see some files reviews automatically over here. So there is only one file in that URL. Another thing is there is a possibility you can upload data from Google Cloud, your Google Drive as well. So you can do that as well. So here is a link for Google Cloud. Another thing I want to discuss about is you can search the notebooks over here, and you can search, like for example, if you want to upload iris dataset, you can search about iris. There are like a lot of people who work with the iris TensorFlow iris dataset. You can go to Google Cloud platform over here, and your drive link over here if you want to upload something from your Google Drive. So that is the thing I want to demonstrate. And thank you so much for connection. Thank you so much for watching a video, and stay connected. And I wish you a very good day, and stay tuned.